Having heard the learned counsel for the petitioners and the learned counsel for respondent number 2 and the learned High Court government pleader appearing for respondent number 1, this court has to analyze the material on record. It is not in dispute that an allegation is made in the complaint that on 3/1/2017 the accused persons have trespassed the house of the complainant and through the house vessels and also household articles and caused damage to the building by using JCB and caused mischief and also caused life threat. The learned counsel for the petitioners brought to the notice of this court that two complaints are filed. One is dated 3/1/2017 and another is dated 22/2/2017, and also brought to the notice of this court the endorsement issued by the police. Having perused the complaint dated 3/1/2017, specific allegations are made against accused numbers 1 and 2 that they suddenly came and caused damage to the house in which respondent number 2 was residing and abused and threatened her. On perusal of the complaint dated 3/1/2017 and the acknowledgement which has been relied upon by the learned counsel for the petitioners is discloses receiving of the complaint and registration of NCR, and the same is kept pending for enquiry. No doubt one more complaint is given on 22/2/2017. The very same allegations are reiterated in the said complaint. The learned counsel for the petitioners does not dispute the fact that on the date of incident itself complaint was given, that is on 3/1/2017, and the police acknowledgement also discloses that the complaint was received on the same day and NCR was registered and the same is kept pending for enquiry. When the complaint was received and the same is pending for enquiry and the subsequent complaint is dated 22/2/2017, it cannot be contended that there was a delay in lodging the complaint. It is not in dispute that the charge sheet is filed after 3 years of the registration of the case, and also it is not in dispute that the learned magistrate has taken the cognizance. On perusal of the order passed by the learned magistrate, it is clear that after receiving the complaint he has perused the charge sheet and its enclosures and held that there are sufficient materials present to proceed against the accused persons for the offences invoked against them. Hence the cognizance is taken and process is issued. Having perused the order, I do not find any error committed by the learned magistrate in taking the cognizance. He has perused the charge sheet and its enclosures and found that there are sufficient materials. Hence, it is clear that he has applied his judicious mind while issuing process, and there cannot be any detailed order while issuing process. The main fundamental question raised before this court by the learned counsel for the petitioners is that taking of cognizance after 3 years of the incident is barred by limitation.